Welcome to Chandra Store, your trusted partner for CCTV installation in Bihar, smart boards in Bihar, and advanced security and technology solutions. Since 2017, we have proudly served homes, businesses, schools, and institutions with high-quality products, professional installation services, and dependable after-sales support. At Chandra Store, our vision is simple yet powerful: to make security, education, and technology accessible to everyone across Bihar. We empower schools, offices, and families with innovative solutions that ensure safety, enhance learning experiences, and create smarter environments for the future. Founded in April 2017, Chandra Store began with a mission to provide affordable and reliable CCTV installation services across Bihar. What started as a security solutions business gradually expanded into a complete technology and automation company. Today, we proudly offer smart boards, projectors, IT solutions, automation systems, and much more, making Chandra Store a one-stop destination for modern technology and security needs. At Chandra Store, we don't just sell products, we provide complete end-to-end solutions. From understanding customer requirements to recommending the right technology, professional installation, and reliable after-sales support, we ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. We help secure homes and businesses with top-brand CCTV cameras. We support digital education with advanced smart boards. We assist businesses with projectors, IT infrastructure, and connectivity solutions. And we simplify institutional operations with automation systems, including digital school bells and alarm systems. Our major products and services include CCTV installation in Bihar,
complete CCTV solutions, including new installations, upgrades, repairs, and maintenance services. Smart boards in Bihar, interactive digital boards designed for online teaching, live classrooms, and smart education environments. We proudly offer leading brands including Newline, Cybernetics, Evota, Hikvision, BenQ, MaxHub, and ProMark. Projector solutions, a wide range of DLP and LED projectors, all-in-one PCs, projector accessories, HDMI cables, VGA cables, and mounting solutions. IT and connectivity solutions, thin clients, mini PCs, document cameras, scanners, and computer accessories. Automation systems, digital school bells and alarm systems designed to improve efficiency in schools, offices, and institutions. Why choose Chandra Store? Trusted CCTV camera dealer in Bihar since 2017. Expert installation and setup services. Reliable after-sales support. Customized technology solutions. And a commitment to customer satisfaction and long-term trust. Expanding our vision further, we proudly introduce our sister concern, VisitoCart. Founded in 2026, VisitoCart was established to expand our business and deliver advanced electronic solutions across India. VisitoCart supplies mobile phones and accessories, CCTV cameras, smart boards, computer accessories, projectors, interactive LED flat panels, and a wide range of electronic products. Together, Chandra Store and VisitoCart are committed to bringing innovation, technology, and reliability to businesses, educational institutions, and homes. We are always open to partnerships, collaborations, and corporate tie-ups. If you are looking for a reliable security and technology partner in Bihar, Chandra Store is here to help. Together, we can build safer communities, smarter classrooms, and more efficient workplaces. At Chandra Store, we combine experience, trust, and innovation to deliver solutions that truly matter, from CCTV installation to smart boards, projectors, and IT solutions.
We are here to make your journey safer, smarter, and more connected. Thank you for choosing Chandra Store. Chandra Store, security, technology, innovation. VisitoCart, expanding technology beyond boundaries. Call us today. Partner with us. Grow with us.